Hi, I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you what's inside my Lady Dior bag. It's quite the collection I've got in here. The first thing that I always take with me wherever I go just captures some really cool moments, and I love how you can't check the photo at the time so you can really be present. Yeah, I probably blinked, but that's really cool to travel with. I always take a ball, carry this because I practice my ball toss wherever I go. This is for you, coach. It's actually quite difficult to sign a tennis ball. I'm not sure if people realize quite how hard it is to keep it straight. Dior. Next up, it's one of the first tournaments that I won. I think it's really, really special to carry this with me, almost like a good luck charm. And I think the big one from the US Open maybe wouldn't fit in here. And then I have two passports because I was born in Toronto, so I have a Canadian and my British passport, of course. I'm always traveling, so you never know when I need to be on the go, and yeah, in this very chic passport holder. Très chic, no? Another thing I like to carry with me, it's the most satisfying thing ever. People might think we're freaks, but the smell, that new balls and the sound is just so satisfying. The next thing that I always carry with me are these headphones. I like to listen to music a lot before games. I don't think you want to see my dancing. Not yet. I work on it and get back to you. And the next, I've got this ginger turmeric shot. I like to try and pretend I'm healthy, so in the morning I'll have one of these and kicks me at the back of the throat, so it's quite refreshing. Then I carry La Mousse with me. I feel like after practice, you know, when you sweat a lot, it's great, this cleanser. I mean, I just use it, wipe it off, feel so refreshed and ready to go again. It's very, very handy to keep with me. I like to have the occasional mint in my bag because actually it started in New York at the US Open. I became notorious for stealing all the mints. Every time I'd walk past, I'd grab a handful. And yeah, it kind of became a bit of an obsession. Yeah, I think we've got enough for today, but I might need a refill. I'm not sure if I brought it though. We've got this in case I want to practice my shadow swings and just sharpen up a bit before a big game. Okay, that's it. That's all that's in my bag. Actually, two I think fell out, but yeah, we're good. I hope you enjoyed that.